Kakao pala o gusto yung ano mo, bonus na rin. Possibly shooting.
Kaya Bangkok. So you still have a lot of time to experience taking photos.
Okay. Approximately how many hours of break a day? So after this, we're gonna take you to the bike and let you to get used to the bike. How to get used to the clutch brake, right? This is better because I know from someone that you are ready and from just calling you whether you shopping for me. The route for Bangkok to Hoi An to Laos and Vietnam and go up to Hanoi. We're planning to do it. That's right. And the final destination is on Sapa. Or you can go to Shangri-La. Depends on you guys.
Yeah. So this whole ride, so we have it. We have also the elephant bird watching.
Bigger than you.
So any questions, guys?
Visiting
temples, yes. So we have after this one we have 3 days. So we'll visit. We'll go to Big C to buy your thing.
But not like this.
No more.
Right. Okay. Should we go to?
And then you can check out some good spots also for viewing.
So we have a chance to meet some lady boys.
Okay. One more. Cheers.
Okay, this one. 1, 2. Photo na, photo.
Ay, kanino yung shirt niya? Ayaw nga pala. Hi!
Hi.
Hello, bro.
Hello.
Hindi kasi ganyan yung fit eh. Malaki yung ano nung... Susunod ako sa ano. Sa puso.